Welcome to Tech Island. In today's video, we will be looking at 21 of the best car inventions on Amazon and AliExpress to upgrade your ride. Number 1. Basia's Car Trash Can. Are you tired of dealing with clutter in your car? This car ashtray and trash can is an innovative solution to keep your car clean and organized. Its induction system allows easy, hands-free operation, while the durable metal material ensures longevity. Perfectly fitting in most cup holders, this round-shaped trash can is a must-have for a tidy and hassle-free driving experience. Keep your car clean with this gadget. You can grab it in the link below. Now let's move on to an essential car accessory. Number 2. Myro Cup Holder Phone Mount. Upgrade your driving experience with a versatile 2-in-1 gadget. This universal cell phone holder goes right inside your car's cup holder, allowing you to use the cup holder as normal. It easily fits most phone sizes and car models. Plus, it boasts an adjustable viewing angle for your convenience. Get this amazing gadget to make your drive safer and more enjoyable. Next up, a high-tech addition to enhance your safety on the road. Number 3. Rove Dash Cam. Ensure your safety on the road with the Rove Dash Cam. Boasting 4K Ultra HD recording and super night vision technology, this dash camera captures clear footage in any lighting conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows instant viewing and sharing of recordings on your smartphone. It also boasts GPS tracking and a range of state-of-the-art features, making it a reliable companion for a secure driving experience. This gadget is indispensable for your safety. Moving on, the next gadget will make your car even smarter. Number 4. Bluetooth Remote Start System. The Bluetooth Car Remote Start System makes your smartphone the key to your vehicle. This gadget lets you unlock, lock, open the trunk, and locate your car with just a tap on your phone. It is compatible with various car models. Plus, it is super easy to set up. With this gadget, you can enjoy the freedom of leaving traditional keys behind and embracing a seamless driving experience. Now let's introduce a must-have gadget for summer. Number 5. EXO Electric Car Fans. Beat the heat and keep your rear seat passengers cool with these electric car fans. This gadget is perfect for efficiently cooling down the back seat when your car's air conditioner falls short. It features adjustable rotation and speed control. It also enhances air circulation in the car, eliminating unwanted odors. This car fan is a must-have for a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Number 6. Yajia Shifter Hoodie. Add a touch of warmth and style to your car's interior with the Yajia Shifter Hoodie. This fashionable and functional gear shift knob cover keeps your hands cozy in winter and protects against scorching heat in the summer. With a variety of colors to choose from, this versatile accessory is easy to clean and adds a charming flair to your vehicle's aesthetics. Next up is Number 7. Nexo Retractable Charger Experience. Fast and efficient charging, while on the go with this retractable car charger. It features 4 charging ports, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. It also boasts retractable cables to reduce clutter. Get this must-have car gadget and keep your devices powered up at all times. Moving on, Number 8. Lancaster Car Phone Holder. The Lancaster Car Phone Holder keeps your phone secure and easily accessible. This gadget is compatible with a wide range of cell phones and GPS devices. It is also very stable and slip-free, so your phone stays in place during sudden stops or turns. With its washable and reusable design, this dashboard phone holder is a versatile and practical addition to your car. Now let's talk aesthetics. Number 9. GOI Car LED Lights. A car's LEDs can transform any car's interior by lighting it up in a vast array of colors. With dynamic music synchronization, these lights offer a personalized and vibrant driving experience. You can also control the colors and brightness of the lights with the GOI Home app. Plus, this gadget boasts easy installation with the 2-line design. So why wait? Elevate your car's atmosphere with these stylish and smart LED lights. Number 10. Drive Autocar Trunk Organizer. Say goodbye to car clutter with the Drive Autocar Trunk Organizer. This collapsible organizer adjusts to fit any vehicle space, and it conveniently folds away when not in use. Featuring a secure tie-down strap system, This organizer keeps your belongings in place while on the road. It is excellent for keeping your car tidy, with multiple compartments to hold groceries, tools, and more. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please drop a line to show your support. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Let's get back to it. Number 11. Tuio Interior Dust Brush. The Tuio Interior Dust Brush helps you keep your car's interior spotless. Designed with a beveled arc, this brush is the perfect size to fit in your glove box. Its high-density bristles are made of quality synthetic fibers, making it ideal for both dry and wet use. It also has an ergonomic handle to prevent scratches, and it is safe on delicate surfaces like glass, painted, and polished surfaces. Next up, number 12, Back Window Display. Add a touch of humor to your drive with the back window LED display. This cool car gadget attaches to the car's rear window. You can then display emojis on it. The remote control allows you to convey fun messages safely while driving. Easy to install with a suction cup, it's a fun way to interact with others on the road. This gadget is a great upgrade to any vehicle. Number 13. Econar Steering Wheel Desk. Econar's steering wheel desk transforms your car into a mobile office. This convenient steering desk is perfect for reading, writing, or enjoying a meal inside your car. With a 2-in-1 design, it features a deep cup holder on one side and a flat surface for a laptop on the other. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and sturdy workspace in your car. Next up, let's illuminate your car in style. Number 14. Pods LED Rock Lights. Upgrade your car's aesthetics with the Pods LED Rock Lights. Crafted with die-cast aluminum housing, these lights are not only durable, but also waterproof, so they are suitable for various weather conditions. They are also universally compatible and easy to install. Just place the pods anywhere you desire and enjoy the light show. This gadget is indispensable for customizing your car. Number 15. Shinerk Baby Car Mirror. Shinerk Baby Car Mirror is a great gadget for ensuring your little one's safety. Offering an extra wide and crystal clear reflection, this mirror is 360-degree adjustable, allowing you to monitor your baby while driving. Safety certified and crash tested, this gadget features a shatterproof acrylic glass design with secure straps, so you can have peace of mind knowing your child is safe as you drive. The next gadget makes long journeys more enjoyable. Number 16. Piki Car Headrest Mount. Check out the Piki Car Headrest Mount, an innovative mount for your tablet that connects to the front car seats. Kid-tested and parent-approved, this mount allows you to securely place a tablet between the driver's and passenger's seats. Its adjustable design offers various viewing angles, making it suitable for multiple passengers. It is also compatible with most mobile devices, ensuring a stable and enjoyable viewing experience. Number 17. Ling Vito Car Seat Covers. Make your car seats much more breathable with Ling Vito car seat covers. Featuring a universal fit with Velcro connections, these covers are adjustable and compatible with various vehicle types. The faux leather design, enhanced with unique embroidery, adds a touch of sophistication to your car. Plus, its high-quality materials, including a high-rebound sponge, provide comfort and durability. These covers are a practical and stylish addition to your car. Now we have a must-have car tool. Number 18. ANEL OBD 2 Scanner. The ANEL OBD 2 Scanner is a practical and cost-effective diagnostic tool. This scanner is easy to use and offers a clear screen for reading fault codes. You can use it to perform various diagnostic functions. Its multifunctional connection allows it to be used in 3 different ways, making it a versatile and valuable tool for both professionals and car owners alike. Speaking of essential tools, check out Number 19. NOCO Boost Plus. Never worry about dead batteries again with the NOCO Boost Plus. This compact yet powerful lithium battery jumpstarter is a lifesaver on the road. Equipped with ultra-safe technology, it ensures safe and easy use, preventing sparks and incorrect connections. It is also multifunctional as it also works as a portable power bank and LED flashlight. A must-have for all car owners. Next up, a reliable solution for keeping your tires properly inflated. Number 20. Avid Power Tire Inflator. Maintain optimal tire pressure effortlessly with the Avid Power Tire Inflator. This powerful device fully inflates the car tire in minutes. It also prevents overinflation using auto shut-off functionality. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, this gadget is a versatile and convenient tool for emergencies. Fast inflation, ergonomic design, and compatibility with various vehicles make this tire inflator a must-have for every driver. Number 21. Piki Car Cleaning Gel. The Piki Car Cleaning Gel lets you clean out those crevices in your car efficiently. It easily gets to hard-to-reach places, including air vents, steering wheels, and cup holders. It is also super easy to use. Just apply the gel over the crevice and pull it off. The dust will stick to the gel and come off. Reusable and friendly to your car, this cleaning gel is a must-have for those who want to maintain a pristine interior.